Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German. It's time to get fluent in German this year with our 15 life-changing resolutions for all German learners. How many New Year's resolutions did you break last year? Wie viele Neujahrsvorsätze hast du letztes Jahr gebrochen? 2026 is going to be different. Wer rastet, der rostet. Deshalb machen wir dein Deutsch dieses Jahr unaufhaltsam. He who rests, rusts. So let's make your German unstoppable this year. Here are 15 resolutions that are guaranteed to level up your German. The first one. Jeden Tag 15 Minuten lernen. Dranbleiben ist der Schlüssel. Learn for 15 minutes every day. Your consistency is the key. It prevents learning burnout. It's easier to find 15 minutes than 2 hours, making it impossible to find excuses. Use your dead time on the bus, waiting for coffee, or right before bed. Keine Angst vor den Fehlern haben. Fehler sind Helfer. They help you. They are a proof you're trying. Perfectionism is the enemy of fluency. If you wait until you're perfect to speak, you'll never speak. Have the courage to leave gaps or be imperfect. It's a very common German mindset. Die Artikel immer mitlernen. Der, die oder das, lern es sofort. Always learn the articles. Without them, grammar is a maze. In German, the article is the DNA of the word. If you know the gender, the cases, nominative, accusative, etc., fall into place much easier later on. You could use color coding, blue for der, red for die, and green for das. Nummer 4. Das Handy auf Deutsch umstellen. Passives Lernen im Alltag. Learn without even noticing. This creates forced immersion. You learn technical and functional vocabulary like senden, löschen, Datenschutz through sheer repetition. A small warning: make sure you know where the language settings are located before you switch, just in case you get lost. Number 5. Mehr deutsche Podcasts hören. Tauch in die Sprache ein. It trains your ear to recognize the melody of the language. Even if you don't understand every word, your brain is absorbing sentences and their structures. You can visit our channel for lots of podcasts and shorts to train your hearing abilities. Nummer 6. Laut sprechen üben, auch wenn du alleine bist. Reading in your head is passive. Speaking is active. Your mouth muscles, the speech apparatus, actually needs to train for the hard sounds in German, like the sh. Try shadowing, repeating exactly what a native speaker says immediately after he says it. That really helps. Nummer 7. Ein deutsches Tagebuch führen. Schreib über deinen Tag. It forces you to look up words that actually matter to your life. You aren't learning, the cat is on the mat. You are learning, I had a stressful meeting today. Write just 3 sentences every evening. Keep it simple to stay consistent. The next one. Einen Tandempartner finden. Reden ist der Schlüssel. Humans are social animals. We learn faster when there is an emotional connection and a real reason to communicate. Apps like HelloTalk or Tandem are good to begin with. Remember, it's a trade. You help them, they help you. Deutsche Musik mitsingen. Das verbessert deine Aussprache. Learn slang and common phrases with fun. Singing helps with the Aussprache, that means pronunciation, and rhythm without the stress of a formal lesson. Artists like Crow, Mark Foster, or Rammstein are good ones. Nummer 10. Deutsche Filme mit Untertiteln schauen. Verknüpfe das Hören mit dem Sehen. Hörverstehen trainieren. It bridges the gap between textbook German and real-life German. You hear how people actually speak, slang, fillers, emotions, while the subtitles help your brain map the sounds to the words. It trains your listening comprehension without feeling like work. Use German audio with German subtitles, not English. This is called same language subtitling. It prevents your brain from tuning out the German audio while you read the English. Start with movies you already know well, like Disney movies or Harry Potter dubbed in German. Since you know the plot, you can focus entirely on the language. Here's the next one. 1000 neue Wörter lernen. Erweitere deinen Wortschatz in diesem Jahr. A big vocabulary gives you freedom. Vocabulary is the building blocks of a language. 1000 words cover about 80% of daily conversations. It's a measurable, satisfying goal for 2026. Nachrichten auf Deutsch lesen. Bleib informiert auf Deutsch. Learn how to discuss world events. Apps like Tagesschau or Deutsche Welle keep you informed while you can learn high-level vocabulary. Sich nicht mit anderen vergleichen. Jeder lernt anders. Your journey is unique. Focus on you. Language learning isn't a race, so don't compare yourself to others. Nummer 14. Einen deutschen Kochabend machen. Sprache geht durch den Magen. This makes learning cultural. Following a recipe for Spätzle or Apfelkuchen in German is a practical way to use the language. And the last one, which is the most important one. Regelmäßig wiederholen. Aus Wissen wird eine Gewohnheit. Turn knowledge into a habit. As we discussed, repetition turns knowledge into a habit. It moves words from short-term memory to long-term autopilot. Spaced repetition concept helps in reviewing right before you're about to forget. So these were 15 resolutions for a successful 2026. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. All beginnings are hard, but every small step brings you closer to your goal. So which of these resolutions are you taking on this year? Tell us in the comments below, and we are excited to hear them. By the way, if you're serious about learning German, don't forget, we offer completely free and well-structured courses for beginners and intermediate learners. You can learn at your own pace, access plenty of materials, and join a community full of real success stories. Just check out the links below and start your journey today. See you in the next lesson, and happy learning! If you liked this video and want more of these, do let us know in the comments. Become a member today and gain access to extra content for this video and much more. You can also get a free worksheet by joining our Patreon page. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!